This video is going to demonstrate how to remove your front trim parts, allowing access to these brackets, which will allow the height adjustment for the front of the roof. The rear trim panel is already removed back here. I believe it's usually held in with some the seat belt bolts, and then you got a few screws. This will drop down, exposing these. I'm going to do my best to do this one-handed, so bear with me if the camera gets a little wobbly. You got 5 screws that hold this trim panel up. I've already removed the rear view mirror screw and those 3 over there. So let's move on to this one. And you're gonna have these top trim panels, 2 per side. And then you're gonna, once these are removed, it exposes your visor post nut. You got one of these on each side, and then a spring clip. Those typically you can pry off. They usually shoot up in the air like that if you don't have your second hand holding them. Once that nut is removed, this will rotate down, and you can let both sides hang by the visors in the mirror. Okay, so we now got everything lowered, exposing our front mounting brackets. You got two T40s up here. Loosen those, and then with the roof on the vehicle, you can, if you need to add pressure, you want to push this down, tighten them back up. That'll add pressure to your weather strip. You loosen these up, lift it up a little bit. That'll relieve the pressure. It helps if you have a scribble line up here as a starting point you can always return to. Also keep in mind, while you have all this exposed, might be a good time to pull this retaining insulator bushing. This also called a bolt encapsulator. This is what holds your front attach bolt in. So if this bolt needs replacement, or if you think it's getting stripped, pull this out, get one of these bolts ordered, pop it back into place. So when you're done with your adjustments and you feel like you got the right amount of pressure up here to keep out the elements, but not so much that you got stress on the roof panel, go ahead and button everything up. Just reverse the procedure, putting everything back together, and enjoy your new roof.